bear with me, I kind of got stuff everywhere, but for my 23 Colorado, I built a shelf in the rear for some of my camp gear to sit on, and it saves space in the bed of my truck because I work out of the bed of my truck, but I'm still able to keep camp gear in there, like kitchen, setup stuff, things like that. And it just saves space from keeping a bunch of stuff in here. And so I had these two containers and that coho container or tote in the truck. And I still am keeping this coho container because it is really nice. I picked it up at Costco, I think for like $50 or something like that. It's got little locking latches. It's got a little rubber seal. It's got this little MOLLE panel on top with pouches. I keep chargers in here, lighters and matches in one, hand sanitizer, and headlamps. And then here I just have my other kinds of lights, some of my knives and stuff. And then down here is just miscellaneous stuff, sunscreen, bug spray, more lights, speakers, headphones, fire starter, extra toilet paper, just random stuff. But I really like this container, so I'll be keeping it. And these Plano cases are fantastic, but I'm going to use those for something else. I came across these Sidio cases when I picked up my new iCamper grill, and the guy I bought it from had this Sidio case, and this their old design, or I should say old case. The lid is a little bit different, and it's got like pass-through, it's got openings on the bottom, and then it's just got a mat in the bottom of it. And on the new ones, they've created a solid bottom. They've upgraded their lids. They also have water resistant ones that come with seals and stuff. I did their full crates. They have full ones and half ones. The iCamper stuff will stay in that. I have my cookware in here, which is the Gerber complete bowls, plates, pots, pans, cutting board, knives, all that good stuff. I have another one. This is the other grill. This has my smaller fire maple grill in it, grill plate. This is my setup container. It's got first aid, hammer, stakes, ponchos, leash for the dog. Then I have kitchen stuff, which is the sink and food. And these lids are actually really cool. So you pull out and then you lift up. Paper towels, coffee cups, tin foil, seasonings, coffee, all that good stuff. And then it just simply latches back down, and then you push in. You can also get filler things that come here and block off here, but the bed of my truck is sealed really well. So I'm really excited and really happy with the quality of these. The other good thing is I could only fit 3 of these cases up on my shelf that I had built in the bed of my truck. But these, with their height and width, I can actually perfectly fit 4 of them side by side in the bed of the truck. So I can keep 4 of these in the truck at all times. And to keep them from moving around, my old cases, I had a couple L brackets on the back side and then a bungee cord on the front side because I couldn't access the back to bungee cord it or anything. So they still kind of moved around. And then Sidio had released these, which is a mounting plate that you can screw in. And they're the same size as the actual container themselves, just like the lid. Unfortunately, I only ordered 3 because I didn't think I was going to fit 4 across there. Well, now I need to order another one. Basically how it works is it's just got this lip in the back, so you slide the case in and then set it down, and it just locks on the front lip. Once you slide it back in the slot, then you just flip this up and it locks it in place. So I think that's pretty awesome. And so I'm gonna go ahead and order 1 more of these and then I'm gonna screw all 4 of these into the shelf that I built, and we'll get all of these loaded into the truck. But I just wanted to quickly show the cases and what I switched to and why over the old Planos. That there's nothing wrong with the Planos whatsoever. I absolutely love them. They're very affordable. These are a little bit more expensive, but I really liked them and I wanted them after seeing that one. So that's what I went with. These are also available in multiple different colors. You can get dividers that go both directions. There's a lot of accessories for them. So really nice little setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these mounting plates screwed in, and then we'll get them loaded up. So I wasn't able to actually get 4 across with the plates, and a couple reasons. When I had the 4 crates in here by themselves, I never actually shut these doors, and I didn't realize the strut, when you shut it, sits right here, so it is hitting the containers, and they would have been pushed up against the seal even if they would have fit, and it just wasn't happening. So I just spaced them out evenly. There you can see the shelf that I built. I still left a couple of the tie downs on here just in case I need to strap something else down, but it still makes it easy for when I go camping. I just literally unload my work tools down here, slide in the 3 other crates up front, fridge goes over there. I'll keep my air conditioner and heater in here as well. Other than that, that's really it. I got my other grill case, but that one's small, and then I still have clearance up here for whenever my stowaway table gets in, but it hasn't arrived yet. But I really like these little plates. The plates, they have them available in a couple different colors as well. Same thing with the crates themselves, and then a few different style lid options as far as weather resistant or these. I think it's a great little company. It's a little expensive, but I think it's well worth it. I like them, and we'll see how it goes after this camping trip I got coming up in just a couple weeks. So those are the Sidio crates, the full-size crates, the locking plates, and their standard lid. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it. To remove, just simply pull that down, pull the crate forward. Of course I picked the heaviest one, and they just slide into that right there. I just have one self-tapper in each of the 4 corners. You can really secure it if you use all 16 mounting holes, but I don't think it's necessary. If you're doing any heavy off-roading, then yeah, I might throw a couple more in there, but I think it's a pretty nice little solution to my problem that I was having with mine moving around, and it makes it nice and easy. Other than that, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.